Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, Diamond Rose. Hi you guys, how you Diamonds? How are you guys doing? New subscribers, hello, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are on this job searching and get on these jobs, because these jobs will not last long. And if they are there still, just go ahead and apply, because opportunity is knocking on all these positive doors are opening to you. Just go ahead and just apply and believe, and you will receive the job. And let's go forth with this position from New York, remote position. Is the salary per year is $46,797 to $67,598 per year, full-time job, and it's with a company called U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. And for this job role, it is an administrative support assistant. And the benefits for this job is 401k plan, commuter assistance, dental insurance, flexible spending account, health insurance, life insurance, and vision insurance. And the duties for this job is be a part of a Department of Labor, DOL. This position is within U.S. Department of Labor, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, located in Hasbrook Heights, New Jersey, New York, or Queens, New York. Selectee will be expected to report to one of the offices listed above. Position is inside the bargaining unit and requires pre-employment. Additional selections may be made from this announcement if funding becomes available. Duties include, but are not limited to, the following. As the employee progresses, their assignments will become more difficult and complex with less supervision. GS06 processes mail and corresponds interactions with customers. Processes investigative case files for debt collection, solicitor use, regional review, and other. Manages office supply purchases, inventories for the area office. Documents all requests for supplies, services, and tracks the receipts and distribution of supplies. Ensures that proper space and equipment is maintained, repaired, modified, and or accessed. Assists in preparing and processing travel authorizations and vouchers. GS7 serves as the timekeeper and is responsible for monitoring the agency's time and attendance system. Serving as the area director's designated assistant, coordinates the Freedom of Information Act FOIA program at the area office level. Serves as travel program point of contact. Requirements, conditions of employment. Appointment to this position may require background investigation. Requires a probationary period. If the requirement has not been met, must be at least 16 years old and a U.S. citizen. Applicants must meet all legal and regulatory requirements. Reference the required document section for additional requirements. Notifications concerning COVID-19 vaccinations as required by Executive Order 14043. Federal Executive Branch employees are required to be fully vaccinated against COVID-19 regardless of employee's duty, location, or work arrangement. Telework, remote work, etc. Subject to such exceptions as required by law. If selected, you will be required to be vaccinated against COVID-19 and submit documentation of proof of vaccination by November the 22nd of 2021 or before appointment on boarding with the agency, if later than November the 22nd of 2021. The agency will provide additional information regarding which forms of documentation can be accepted and how you can request a legally required exception from this requirement. Currently, implementation and enforcement of Executive Order 14043 has been suspended pursuant to an injunction pending further litigation. Qualifications. GS06. 1 year of specialized experiment equivalent to the GS05 that equipped the applicant with the particular knowledge and skills and abilities to perform successfully the duties of the position, and that is typically in and are related to the work of the positions. Examples of specialized experience includes serving as the area office's central point of contact on matters pertaining to OSHA and administrative work processes, assisting in a wide variety of personnel actions such as recruitment, promotions, or reassignments, etc., assisting in determining personal needs, and may serve as confidential assistant in relation to personnel management related documentation, preparing travel authorizations for blanket and specific travel, and maintains records pertaining to employees' travel activities, ensuring FOIAs are processed and tracked in accordance with FOIA rules and exemptions and local guidance policies. GS07, 1 year of specialized experience equivalent to the GS06 that equip the applicant with the particular knowledge, skills, and abilities to perform successfully the duties of the position, and that is typically in a related and or related to the work of the positions. Example of specialized experience include assistance in managing the budget and all related fiscal matters, maintaining records of expenditures, and is responsible for reconciling monthly obligations, may review bills and invoices for propriety of payment, and may prepare documentation for approval and signature, coordinating procurement activities for property, equipment, supplies, and services, assisting in managing the area director's schedule by priorities and set up, rearranging or declining appointments as necessary, monitoring FOIA, fee collections reports, and ensuring that payment correspondence is prepared and delivered in accordance with FOIA and agency guidelines. Education. There is no substitution of education for specialized experience at these grade levels. And additional information about the company. And they said that DOL fosters a diverse and inclusive work environment that promotes collaboration, flexibility, and fairness so that all individuals are able to participate and contribute to their full potential. Refer to these links for more information, general information, additional documentation, and former federal employees. And it's an equal opportunity employer. And if you are deaf, hard of hearing, or have a speech disability, please dial 711 to access telecommunications relay services. And the benefits of this job as a federal employee has many benefits. The Federal Employee Health Benefits Program, FEHB. This program offers health insurance for you, your spouse, and your children under the age of 26. It offers many different health plan choices so you can find a plan that works best for you and your family. Federal Employee Dental Vision Insurance Program, Fed VIP, for a dental plan, a vision plan, or both types of insurance, life insurance. Flexible Spending Accounts, FSA. The Federal Employees Retirement System, you have that. This means a defined pension plan, which many private sector companies do not offer. The Thrift Savings Plan, TSP, which is a 401k plan for federal employees. Earn annual and sick leave every pay period to use for vacation or sick time. 11 paid federal holidays. DOL also offers transit subsidy benefits where you may be reimbursed for commuting. So like a per diem. Work-life balance is also stressed. DOL recognizes various expanded workplace flexibility intended to support and enhance a productive workforce by providing various work schedule options that can help employees balance their responsibilities both at work and at home. And how will you be evaluated? You will be evaluated for this job based on how well you meet the qualifications above. If you meet the minimum qualifications, you will be evaluated against the evaluation factors below and will be placed into a category based on your vacancy question responses. Category A, B, and C. Category A meets the basic qualification requirements for the vacancy and has successful experience in the same or similar job that has demonstrated similar or superior proficiency in ability in applying critical competencies required by this position to work for increased levels of difficulty and complexity. Category B meets the basic qualification requirements for the vacancy and demonstrates satisfactory proficiency in the critical competencies required by this position. And category C meets the specialized experience described in the minimum qualification requires section of this announcement and demonstrates proficiency in the basic competencies. And they go through everything else with this job that you might want to know. And the examining office of Human Resources, OHR, makes the final decision concerning application ratings. Your resume must provide sufficient information to substantiate your responses to the vacant questions. If not, the OHR may amend your responses to more accurately reflect the level of competency indicated by the content of your resume. And information for ICTAP, CTAP eligibles only. If you are eligible for special priority selection under ICTAP, CTAP, you must be well qualified for the position to receive consideration. You may preview questions for this vacancy. They have them inside of the website when you apply. The federal employee has many benefits. I just went over them earlier. You have 11 paid full holidays. I'll go over them briefly again. Flexible spending accounts. And you'll also have a federal employee health benefits program, FEHB program, that offers health insurance for you and your spouse and your children under the age of 26. Children have to be under the age of 26, and it can go for your spouse and yourself. And the federal employee health benefits program, FEHB. And this job is how to apply your application. It says to apply for this position, you must complete the initial online application, including submission of the required documentation specified in the required documentation section. Follow the steps below to apply, and it has steps that you have to go through to apply for this job. And then it has the phone number, Shannon Weston, agency contact information is right here. And if you're hard of hearing, it says if you're deaf, which they stated if you're, I forgot the sentence, it says if you're hard of hearing and stuff like that, it's 711, and it'll help you with your hearing with this number right here. The operator will help you with the process of your application. And this is the email, weston.shannon.mdol.gov, and the Labor, Occupational Safety and Health Administration. This is the address for Massachusetts, Boston, Massachusetts, United States. Next steps, and they have all of this information for you guys. This job is open. They have different options. This job is posted for 3 days. If it sounds like something you would like to do, apply at their website and get into it, you guys. And yes, apply to their website. I will link the description below for the website. And have a great day. Hope you guys like this job. It is a federal job and it has federal benefits. So like and subscribe, comment down below, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, hit the notification bell, hit the notification bell, tell a friend about these jobs, and keep on shining, guys. Opportunities knocking. Open that positive door, you guys, and let's go. See you on the next video.